Right, we're going to do a paper airplane challenge. Whoever can make the...
Awesome.
Right, no.
Coolest,
I think, right.
The biggest and bestest.
I think,
airplane.
right. So here's the room. This is not... So we'll be standing here, looking that way. I think the first challenge is, with the first bit of paper, you have to hit that wall with your airplane. And I'm not cheating. And Abby is cheating.
I'm not cheating.
She's googled how to make these and I haven't, so here we go. Right, well, I think we're gonna skip ahead and then we will have airplanes in front of us. Right, we both have our planes. I would like to point out, Abby took about 2 days
I didn't take
to make
2 days.
her
Like,
paper
it's about
airplane.
5 minutes, a little bit longer.
I took 2 minutes. Right, if I put this here, if you see a plane fly past this camera, it means it's hit the wall because this camera is at the wall. Can we get this?
Yeah, I came. I was like the furthest.
No! Yeah! Oh no! This was meant to be first to 3, but it's not happening.
Oh, close. Not close enough though. I win! I win!
No!
I win!
No!
My airplane's the best. Oh yeah.
Hold on, no. It's a bit unfair.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh, that was so close.
Okay, so we tried to make our own airplanes, not ones from the book, not ones that we already knew how to make, just normal ones, and mine was rubbish. And Abby has somehow made like the best plane I've ever seen in my life. Oh, I'm actually really nervous now. I don't want to do this anymore.
You can't back out.
No, I don't.
You can't back out.
No, I'm proper nervous.
No.